Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Pluck CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3. It is a small, simple PHP-based content management system CMS. Using Pluck, you can easily manage your website. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. This makes Pluck a great choice for every small website. Under the General Public License GPL, Pluck is completely open source. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.3. Next, I am going to install Apache Web Server on my Linux machine by using the following command. Now the Apache Web Server has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache service by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of Apache service by using the following command. Now the Apache service is in active and running state. Next, I am going to install PHP and its module by using the following command. PHP has been installed successfully. Now check the installed PHP version by using the following command. Our PHP version is 8.0.30. Next, I am going to install MariaDB server by using the following command. Now the MariaDB has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to enable and start the MariaDB by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of MariaDB by using the following command. Our MariaDB in active and running state. Next, I am going to download the Pluck CMS installation package from its official site by using the following command. Now the installation package has been downloaded successfully. We can view the installation package by long listing the files. This is a downloaded installation package. Next, I am going to unzip the downloaded package by using the unzip command. Now long list the files by using the following command. This is the extracted directory. Now I am going to rename and move the extracted directory to Apache root directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to give ownership to the Pluck CMS directory by using the following command. Next, grant the correct permission to the Pluck CMS directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a virtualhost configuration file for our Pluck CMS by using the following command. Press I to insert mode. Here paste the following lines. Then save and exit from the file. Now check the syntax of Apache configuration file by using the following command. It shows the syntax is OK. Next, I am going to disable the default Apache welcome page by using the following command. Finally, restart the Apache service to apply all changes. Now go to the web browser. Here search our server IP address. Now we can see the Pluck CMS installation page. Here click the start installation icon. Here click the proceed button. Here we need to give our site information. Here I am giving title as Welcome to Linux Help. Here enter our mail ID. Here select your language. I am selecting English as default. Enter the password here. Then click save icon. Here enter the title and content of our website. After complete editing, click the save button. Here click the administration center. Enter our password. Then click login. This is the dashboard of Pluck CMS. Here we can view the created website page. This is the created test web page. By this way, you can install Pluck CMS on Rocking Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.